Welcome back everyone to part 13 of the FJ45 restoration project. As you guys seen in the previous episode, we actually laid down some epoxy on both the cab and the back of the cab, the black material over there. What epoxy does, it just preserves the metal and prevent it from rust. That's why we laid down the epoxy before any type of body filler, bondo, anything like that, just to preserve the metal as much as possible. However, in today's video, the plans are we're gonna start the bodywork on both the cab and the back of the cab. We're gonna start laying down some bondo. In addition to that, there's an alignment issue going there up front with the left front fender we're gonna address. And we might take out the doors and start the bodywork on them as well. So that being said, let's get started and see where we go from there.
Hey guys, so welcome back to myself. Now, what the guys before did was lay down some body filler on the back of the cab. They scraped off the overspray with a piece of razor blade. Don't worry, it does not scratch the glass, guaranteed.
We still have the other side.
Yes, we still have the other side from the bottom side, from the inside of the cab. And now we're gonna address the situation of the fitment of the front fender. It's sitting kind of down and ugly like this, so we're gonna make it sit like this. So, as you can see, the fender is wedged with the floor jack and this piece of plywood, sitting right where it's supposed to be. It was just a little bit down. Now we're gonna check out the bracing and stuff on the underside, maybe add a brace or something to hold it like this.
As of right now, we're gonna continue working on the back of the cab.
So we dug the doors out of the bed just so we can bite on them and see what they need. This one does not need much, the other one needs a little bit of metal work. So now what we are gonna do is either remove the bed or remove the window frame, the windshield frame, or work on the placement of this fender. And you're gonna see what we're gonna do next. guys, so we took all the bolt out of the bed, and there was a little place where it was welded in, so we grinded that out. The bed is ready to be taken off. We're gonna turn it on, give you a little cold start, move it to the side so we can remove the bed, place it over here somewhere. Guys, so if you can tell, I am the bed now, so I'm standing where the bed was. So for the frame, this is the closest you're gonna see us doing a frame off restoration, at least for this car. So this is how far as we will gonna take this truck with this assembly. So from now on, everything's gonna be assembly except for the frame of the windshield on the front side. Now for the bed, it's rough. It's really rough. I just don't know what we're gonna do with it yet. Needs some planning, needs some
Money.
some minding, some thinking, and a lot of money. Okay, so now we're gonna be cleaning up a little bit, and then we're gonna go straight to some body work on the floor pan. That's what we're gonna see next. Parents, this is how you raise your children. Hey guys, so today was a really successful day. We've done everything that we said we're gonna do. We've started the bodywork in the back of the cab on the floor, and we removed the bed. It was a task for us. It's a huge progress for us because we have no crane, it's only manpower. So in the next video we're gonna be probably continuing the bodywork on the back of the cab, possibly be moving the window frame, and also we're gonna be fixing the fitment issue with the left side fender, the other side. So with that being said, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. See you next time. Peace.